Guys, welcome to Raksha's kitchen. Let us see how to make bang bang sauce. Here are the ingredients. We need mayonnaise, sweet chili sauce, sriracha sauce, black pepper powder. To a mixing bowl, add mayonnaise, sweet chili sauce, sriracha sauce, pepper powder, and mix well. You may add little honey if you want a bit sweetish taste, but addition of honey is totally optional. Isn't it easy? 5-minute bang bang sauce is ready. If you like this recipe, please do like, comment and subscribe to Raksha's Kitchen. Thanks for watching.